November 30th, we're pulling into Crete, but look at the sky over there. Looks like a cruise ship in the cloud. We're not quite there yet. It's 6:30 in the morning.
You got lane on both sides.
We should be there in 30 minutes, I think. So our tour is called The Best of Crete, whatever that means. So we're on the bus, and Don wasn't fast enough to get his front seat.
Somebody took it.
He didn't get out of his seat quick enough to run, but it's okay.
That's because I got to tow you along.
No, the one lady left her husband behind and she ran.
Yeah, I know. She's gone. Track star.
Okay, well, we're getting ready to go.
I'll get it when we stop. Put my bag there.
Hey, so
Hello, wonderful people.
the day's over.
It is Sir Donald of Shippus Princess.
It's a bathrobe.
Shh, I'm in roleplay. It's my vacation. Let me enjoy it.
Okay, go ahead and speak to the people.
It's too late now. Your lady, you.
We had a long day. I think he's delirious.
I'm always delirious.
So, bad news. Not bad news.
Horrible news. We went to eat lunch today. They brought out this
So
plate.
you already saw the pictures. If you go back to the pictures, there was some pink stuff on these plates.
It was kind of red.
It was pinkish red. It looked like a strawberry mousse.
I know.
So what does he do? He grabs a whole bunch of it.
I put a big spoonful on a piece of bread. Thinking it was strawberry mousse.
And we were sitting with two strangers. And he couldn't spit it out. And he's like, what is that? I said, I don't know. So I tasted it and I'm like, oh, it's kind of like fishy. So the tour guide comes over and said, we're like, what is this? And she goes, oh, that's fish eggs.
Oh.
All blended up with some other stuff in there. He was going to die.
There's just some things you can't hide. And
So that was fun.
There was nowhere to spit that out.
Everything was good. I mean, it wasn't bad, but you have to like caviar.
I apologize for the cough.
He's still getting over his
This.
cough. But they canceled our port tomorrow. We were supposed to go to another port in Greece, and the weather is no good. So we're going to be at sea all day tomorrow. So tomorrow's formal night again. And then we're going to go to Italy instead of the other port
It's
in Greece.
Italiano.
So we get 3 days in Italy and then 4 days in Italy when we get off the ship. So that's it for tonight. We're tired. We had a long tour.
We need to retire to our, what do they call it? Our rooms?
We are in our room.
I'll say room. No, it's fancy one.
Fancy one.
We must retire to
Our suite.
Our suite.
So one nice thing about having the suite on the ship, when you go into the dining room and there's this really long line of people waiting for their reservation,
You walk right ahead of everybody.
you go ahead of them all. You go to the maitre d' and you give them your little tag thing. Oh, please come right this way. You're in the suite. Okay.
All right.
I'm not going to complain about that.
Book the cruise.
And you get reserved seats in the theater and all kinds of perks. for
Yeah,
having the
well,
room
tell them
that
where
we
the
picked.
reserve seats are in the theater.
Well, the reserve seats are in the back, but you get them if all the other seats are taken. You can have a seat. But we haven't been going. We're too tired.
Going on a vacation's exhausting.
Like, we're getting up earlier than we get up for work.
I got yelled at today. I know you people might think that's kind of strange because it's me,
They
but
didn't yell. They reprimanded you.
oh, she reprimanded me.
She didn't yell. She was very quiet reprimanding you.
So where were we at?
We were at the palace.
We were at the palace. And what was that rock that lady was talking
Alabaster.
about? Alabaster. I wanted a piece. And there was a piece that looked like alabaster on the ground by us where we were all talking, and it was all just, garbage gravel. It wasn't nothing normal. So I picked up a piece about that big. And my intention was to ask my tour guide what this is, if this is alabaster, and why, because they were saying it's like the strongest rock to build on. Some lady got me.
She caught him.
You not take this. When she took it from me, I said, I was going to ask my tour guide what that was. And she goes, you not have a gravel.
She wasn't loud.
Well, guess what? I got the gravel.
We got rocks from every location. We got some sand to put in my resin. So he marked these little bags with things that he got.
This is just a...
We can't put that on video. I don't want to get arrested for taking pebbles from places.
Yeah, we didn't take no pebbles.
So if you ever see me use pieces of pebbles and sand, I'm not going to say where we got them.
The throne room.
Because people are going to, like, report me. The throne room. Well, that's it. No video tomorrow because we're just going to be on the ship and I'm going to sleep in. We're going to go to a culinary show and that's it. So I guess we will see you in Italy.
Yeah, we're going to Italy. You guys are welcome to come with us.
You want to come?
You want to come?
Let me know if you want to see it.
Come on, let's go.
All right.
Give me this. Give me this.
No.
Give me this. Come on, we're going. We're going to Italy. Are you coming? Come on. It's just outside that door.
It's just outside.
And down the river about ocean, several hundred miles.
Quite a ways. We're quite a ways away.
Oh, you can have that back.
All right.
Oh.
That's it. Look, he's dressed underneath there. Do you want to say goodnight, Sir Donald?
Good night, Sir Donald.
Good night.
Oh, you want me to say good night to the people?
Have a blessed day.
Good night, everybody.
Bye.